65-year-old Mudra Ram Sori is back home in Bada Bedma village after 4 months at the district hospital. In June, Naxals attacked his house, shot him in the leg and left him to die. A 3-time Sarpanch and brother of a former MLA, Mudra Sori was attacked because he refused to attend Naxal meetings and asked other villagers to keep away as well. And yet, his daughter Soni Sori is accused of being a Naxal. She was recently arrested in Delhi. The police alleged she was to receive extortion money from an SR contractor BK Lala and deliver it to Naxal commanders. Mudra Ram rejects the charges.
मेरे लड़की उसकी यहाँ रहता तो मेरे पैर कैसे तोड़ता, ट्रैक्टर तक जला दिया, गाय बाय को पूरा ले गए, बकरी मुर्गा सबको ले गए.
The Chhattisgarh government has announced a compensation of 80,000 rupees to 65-year-old Mudra Ram Sori for damage caused to his property by Naxalites. His tragedy is that he's a Naxal victim on the one hand and a Naxal sympathizer on the other.
For now, the police are sticking to their charges against Soni Sori.
When BK Lala was delivering money to these two, then we arrested BK Lala and Lingaram Kadopi, but Soni Sori managed to escape from the spot.
Soni Sori's home in Palnar village, deep inside the Dantewada jungles, stands abandoned. Her husband Anil is also in jail in connection with a Naxal attack on Congressman Avdesh Gautam. Just meters away is Lingaram Kadopi's house. His sister-in-law refuses to talk, not wanting more police trouble. Lingaram had chosen to study journalism instead of accepting a government offer to become a special police officer. Lingaram too is now in jail. Arrested along with SR contractor Lala for being an alleged conduit between the Naxals and SR. Are they players in the Naxal conflict or victims? The truth here has a way of staying elusive. With Hemendra Sharma in Dantewada, in New Delhi, HR Venkatesh.
The reality of living in Naxal areas, caught between the state and the Naxals. Joining us now is Hemendra Sharma, joins us from Bhopal. He filed that Ground Zero report. Hemendra, really, in terms of evidence against Soni Sori, what does the Chhattisgarh government or the police have?
Well, in terms of evidence, the police says that it has got a lot of credible evidence, but it is not in a position to share that with us or anyone else at this stage because that evidence has to be put in court. But what it appears from the information that we have gathered and the evidence that we have gathered from the spot is that there is not much credible evidence in the sense that Soni Sori was not arrested from the spot. She was arrested from Delhi. The police say that they had laid a trap and that she managed to escape on that day, that is on September 9. So she was not arrested from the spot, though Lingaram, Kadopi and Lala were arrested from the spot. So there is not much evidence against Soni Sori as far as her arrest from the spot is concerned. Also, in terms of money, the money was that of Lala's son. The police say that it was withdrawn from the State Bank of India, Kirandul branch, and the money belonged to Lala's son. And also, it was to be delivered to Soni Sori and Kadopi. So, Soni Sori, it was never delivered to her, though police claim that it was delivered to Kadopi, who in fact was supposed to further deliver it to Naxalite commanders. But here again, Soni Sori never got the money. So, in terms of evidence against Soni Sori, there is not much that is against her, but still the police insist that they have got sufficient evidence against her. That's why she has been arrested, and it is on the basis of Kadopi and Lala's statement that senior SR officials have also been arrested, and also Kadopi has been arrested.
Right.
Sori has been arrested.
Having said that, Hemendra, is there also within the government, within the police force, people who are questioning, if not openly, at least discreetly, off the record, questioning this arrest and the action of the Chhattisgarh police?
Well, the Chhattisgarh police at the moment appears, solidly behind the action that has been taken against Soni Sori, Kadopi and Lala and other SR officials. One, because they are of the firm opinion that money is exchanging hands in Dantewada and that money is being used against the police force by the Naxalites. So, and this is based on intelligence inputs that the police have got, and because of these intelligence inputs and also because of the losses that are being suffered by the local police, the Dantewada police, the Chhattisgarh police and the other paramilitary forces, they are of the opinion that anyone who's seen to be supporting the Naxalites should be punished, and it is being seen in that light. Also, one must understand, one has to see it from the perspective that Soni Sori, Kadopi and all these people are working in deep inside the jungles areas that are controlled by Naxalites. So it is also presumed that anyone who is staying in those areas, they cannot stay there without the support of Naxals, hence they are Naxal supporters.